unit place of these values, where it is matching. It is matching here. It is matching here. So I am going to pick this 4 because 64, 4 is at the unit place, and in 304, 4 is at the unit place. It is matching here, so I'm going to pick it. And now 39. Now for the second group, what I'm supposed to do? I'm just going to look where it is falling, where this value is coming between which two values. So 27 and 64. So my 39 is coming in between this. I'm going to go for 27 and 64. 39 is coming in between these values. I will go for always smaller digit. So that is 3. Now you can check 34. If I have to find cube root of this, it's 39304. Its value is 34. Right? Let's take this example only. 1728. Oops, just a minute. So now if I go with this 1728, right? So again, I have to make a group from right side. So I make a group. This is my group 1, and whatever is left is going to be in my group 2. So again, I'm looking at its unit place. It's 8. Okay, where it is coming? It is coming at the unit value of what? It's here. So I'm going to pick 2. Right? So now 1 is exactly matching with this. Or if I talk like this, okay, 0 cube is also going to be 0. If you multiply 0 3 times, you are going to get 0. So sorry, we are not going to take this. It's matching exactly here 1, right? So I'm going with 1 here. So this is my answer. Same which I'm getting with my factorization method, but this is much easier and this is making my calculation fast. Now, where this is very helpful to the students in the competitive exams, where every second matter a lot. Right? Any query, any question, if the technique is not clear. Let's make the session interactive. Okay. Can I? Yes. Okay. Okay, but sir, I'm going to give one this value. So let's see how many of you understood it, the technique. Can you please answer me what's going to be its answer? See, I have given one value 04357. So this is a cube value of which number? We have to find its cube root in short. 804357. You're taking more time, means there is some confusion, huh? So see, again, I'm repeating the technique. It's very easy. So when you know the technique, right? Even if somebody give you a perfect cube value, just without even using paper and pen, you can answer it. You just need to remember these 10 values. That's it. So for this, we need to make a group of 3, 3. So 3, 5, 7 is going to come in my group 1 and this in my group 2. Again, I'm going to look for this unit place value, that is 7. And it is coming for what? It is coming for 3. 7 is here. 27. The unit place value is matching. So I'm going to write 3 at the ones place. 804. Now where 804 value is coming between which two values? It is coming here between 729 and 1000. You can check this. Right? So cube root of 804,357 is 93. Any query? Okay, fine. Sorry, when I was sharing my screen, the answers are not visible to me. It's good. I'm happy you guys are answering it. Very nice. Okay, now let's try a few more. Okay, for that, I think I need to share my screen again. But I give you one value like this only because I want to see the answers. Okay, so the value is 13,895. 13,895. I'm waiting for the answers in the chat. Earlier, Dr. K. Padmarani answered it. And Dr. Harendra Singh also answered it. Okay. Okay. Okay, any query from your side? Okay, let me show you one more. Now, this is very major subtraction, right? Very major, like minor subtraction. But now you can observe the difference between the way we teach in Vedic math and the way we, like in our school teachers, right? Wait a minute, I'm sharing again my whiteboard. So here we use the sutra Nikhilam Naftashkaram Dashta. That means all from 9 last from 10. So even to foreign last from 10 as it is saying. So if you have some, say for example, if you have to subtract 3000, a number from a 3000, say for example 327, if I have to subtract. In our school way, how we have learned this, that okay, we need to subtract one this from here, then we borrow 1, it is 10 here, then we write 9, we borrow 1, it is 10 here, then again 9, we borrow 1, it is 10 here. Ultimately, if we see, look at this, what we are doing, it is nothing, it is 3000, right? If you have to subtract 327, there is a concept of base and sub-base number here. Base number is 1 followed by 0. It can be 10, it can be 100, it can be 1000. These are my base numbers. Sub-base numbers are like any digit except 1, like 2, 9, followed by 0. It can be 20, it can be 500, it can be 8,000, and so on. So this 3,000 is clearly my sub base number. So whenever you have a sub base number, you just need to subtract 1 from it, right? 2. Okay, all from 9, last from 10. It's 9, 9, 10. So now you need to subtract here from these. So 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 2 is 6. 2. So this is going to be my answer. No need to get confused with the borrowing thing. You can directly do this thing. Right? Okay, that's all from my side. Thank you so much. Yes. Neelkant Navneet, 7th class. Dr. Padma, K. Padma Rani, like Neelkant Navneet, 7th class. What are you trying to say? Sorry. It's he's your son.
जी जी मैडम जी मैं नहीं मेरा बेटा.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, he wants to introduce himself to the class, to this meeting. Okay, nice. Any query? Okay, over to you, Dr. Bidkar. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for listening to me. Yes, Vandana ji. Thank you. Raising hand means you have a query? Because Vandana ji and Neetu Tiwari has raised hand. Okay, yeah, sure. Please do ask. You can unmute yourself and ask.
Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am,
Hi.
I just want to ask one question that, yeah, we know that very well that mathematics, Vedic maths is make calculating very faster and easier, but somehow it also needs tremendous calculation practice. And students are not likely gain interest in what we should do for enhancing the interest in Vedic maths.
Okay. Nice question. See, everything comes with practice. It involves, if you are learning a new technique, right, with your school way. Okay, now this is also a commonly asked question. If we are learning one method and the another method, right? So it will make my child confused even in the examination. See, these are two separate things. The school, there are many schools who have started using Vedic maths, but there are many who didn't right now, right? So I think today's kids are super smart. They are multitaskers, right? So they are easily adaptable to different techniques. This is the way you can like when I take classes personally. So my classes are not teaching class. In my class, I have some fun activities based on the topic which I'm covering to hold the interest of my students. So I
Oh
teach.
yeah, ma'am. Yeah, yes, ma'am. I can totally understand. I'm also a mathematics teacher. That's why I'm asking that question. Yes, I am also making fun with my students to make maths so easy and so fun, and they can understand in a funny way. But there was some questions about Vedic maths because they cannot easily adapt the techniques of Vedic maths. So that's why I asked the question.
See, we as adults or teachers have to make them understand that how important it is. Okay, ISRO after the launch of Chandrayaan, right, published an article. I will share that with Dr. Bedkar so that he can share in the group in which we all are, right? So the ISRO said itself, right, that they have used Vedic math for in the launch of Chandrayaan, right? So see how important it is. Or now, at what level they have used and how they have used, they have not described that. But this is the importance. It ultimately going to give, more intelligence, add more intelligence to the student.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. You share such articles with them, na? See how important it is.
Yeah, ma'am. I always relating them with the things which actually doing in day by day the things, and I also make them participating the things within linked with environment or some other activities which making maths fun. Yes, I do.
Okay. Okay. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Hello.
Good evening. This is Kapil.
Yes, Kapilji.
Actually, which book is refer for the basic Vedic maths?
Okay. You can, as I said, that Tirthaji Maharaj book is also available online, right? You can go with that. And the content is like available online. If you want like a book to refer is Tirthaji Maharaj. And if you want to see more and more content, then you can Google it. It is easily available. But the thing is, it is like scattered. You need to just combine it at one place.
Yeah, okay.
Soon I'm going to write my own book on Vedic math also. Then I will let you know.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir. Yes, Vanna ji. She raised her hand. Do you have any query? You can unmute and talk. Okay.
Mm, hello.
Lot of disturbances coming from one side.
Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, I asked question. Only math related question and another subject.
Only math expression and sorry, what you said later?
Only math. Uh, this meeting is only math discussion.
Vanna ji, your voice is breaking. Sorry, you are not audible. I think she wants to ask like only mathematical operations are covered in Vedic math. If yes, you can just send a thumbs up in the chat. See if you part of trigonometry and then algebra, calculus, but not very vast. Few parts. Now, if I talk in Vedic math, we have a journal 2 into 2 cross multiplication. Means if you want to multiply a two-digit number with another two-digit number, that the technique is there, right? Using Sutra, Urdhav, Trigbhams. But now the parents say, okay, now this is again, you have to, show a path to the student that if you know how to multiply a 2-digit number with the 2-digit number, or 3 with the 3 in a quicker and easy way, right? Then this thing is applicable so many ways, where you are finding area of a square, right? Area of rectangle, length into breadth. You're multiplying two numbers with each other only. It can be 2-digit, it can be 3-digit numbers. So if you know how to do that calculation part, it's not like there is no direct concept of how to find area of square and area of rectangle in Vedic math, but you know how to multiply two numbers quickly, so you can apply that. Okay, that's all from my. Yes. Sorry, sir. I don't have any knowledge about what you are saying. Panchang. Are you asking me this question, or are you like enhancing my knowledge on this? Sir, I have to do research on it, because I have not heard about this, to be very honest, before that. Whether I can use Vedic math for to calculate sunrise and sunset or not. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for joining. Bye bye. Have a good evening.